Friends, bringing out here, we're gonna do a quick garden walk. I pulled up some things, they died. They just couldn't handle this extreme heat that we had. And I'm gonna bring you along with me. First off, I planted some beans up here. I figured I'm not gonna do lettuce, I'm gonna do beans. I do lettuce in here all the time. And you know, you gotta rotate your crops, okay? So I'm rotating. But let's see if the beans take. It's still kind of hot, but not that extreme hot that we had. So we'll see if I can get these to take. All right, I made it out to the garden here. I'll spin you around here, get you too dizzy. I brought my coffee with. My daughter and her family went to South Dakota, and I got a corn cup. So I'm having some coffee along with this quick little tour. But I'll turn you around and I'll show you some of the different things that are happening in my garden right now. All right, you're gonna hear some crows. They decided that they're gonna just join me today up on these pine trees up here, way up there somewhere. We do have some blooming going on here. You can hear them. Blooming going on with the sunflowers. There's that one. I'm trying to get in here to get this one. This one isn't fully complete bloomed, but it sure is starting. So they're gonna look really pretty. Blueberries are the same. Strawberries are looking peaked. My husband is going to build a garden to get these strawberries in. Right now it's just been really too hot, just way too hot. And asparagus is the same. This morning glory, the Japanese beetles, I'll zoom in. They're starting to attack this morning glory. I'll get him when I'm done giving a tour here. Put him in soapy water, friends, put him in soapy water. All right, we'll come along here. I had pulled all the beans up. Oh, they were just so, they looked horrible. So I did a last picking, got rid of what was in here, and I planted some new. And we'll see if I can get a fall harvest. I don't know. I've never really tried doing it. I don't know. We'll see what happens. It doesn't hurt to try, correct? Onions are the same. I picked my zucchini that was out here. This extreme heat, I didn't want to lose it. This one doesn't look like it's going to do much more, but I'm going to leave it. This one over here looks like I've got one starting right there. So all of them that were here, I picked. The potatoes, they're looking good. Now they look peaked, but they're supposed to look ugly and then die off. And the treasure's underneath. Oh, this poor morning glory. Look, he has fought so hard, and he is not going to let those dumb Japanese beetles discourage him from blooming good. I pulled these peas right here. They were being choked out by the morning glories. I'm going to try not to do that again. Anyway, you live and you learn. These are trying to survive. I know I'm going to get some more here, so I left them. They look ugly. I do have some here that need to be picked, but I'm going to leave them until tomorrow. I picked yesterday. I go like every other day with the watering as well, especially with this extreme heat that we've had. These green beans are doing very well. I picked some yesterday. I've got lots of blooms here, so we'll be able to pick. There probably won't be any for tomorrow to pick. But they're doing good. I did pick a few off, but we have lots of blooms. Sweet potatoes are doing just fine. Looks like something came here and ate some of it. I'll have to let my husband know that. Maybe a deer jumped in. We've had that happen. They can jump over the fence. The mamas can get over the fence and they come in and gorge. Now these are blooming. Aren't these beautiful? I thought these were zinnias, but they're not. I don't know what they are. Flowers are flowers to me. But even the buds look pretty. That one's gonna pop out soon. The marigolds are doing wonderful. And this is it's really cute. Little single one. I just kind of scatter the seeds. I don't have any rhyme or reason. I'm not the greatest with flowers, but if I do it that way and just let God take hand of it, this is what I get. I get a little miss and match, but you know what? That's here for the bees. That's a real beautiful one right there too. All right, so that is it for a quick tour of the garden and what I've had to change. All right, friends, I'm going to end this video. The mosquitoes and the deer flies are getting me. Uh, I want to thank you so much for joining me today. In the description box below, I'm going to leave my playlist to my garden so you can view that if you are interested. And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel, give the videos a thumbs up, and I want you to make it a really great day.